Hello friends, here on this video how you can solve this brightness problem on your phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. You are facing this brightness problem, so how you can solve your brightness problem. So friends, at first this brightness used to be bright automatically and unbright automatically. Okay, so you don't do it by itself. Okay, there's a problem and you want to solve it. So friends, at first you have to move on setting. If you want to solve your brightness problem, you have mistaken in your setting, that's why it's this problem show up. Okay, just move on, scroll down, then here you are going to find this display and brightness icon. So just tap on display and brightness. After you click on display and brightness, here you have activate this automatic. If you activate this automatic, obviously your brightness will be problem automatically. It will be increased or it will be decreased by itself. It will adjust by itself because you have activated the automatic, that's why. Okay, you just turn off your automatic and you can adjust your brightness. If you turn on your brightness, then this automatically brightness will be decreased little bit. That's why you can turn off or turn on it. Okay, if you turn on, then it's your wish. Okay, and friends, do you know that you can even change this screen mode also? Example like dark mode, and here's the light mode. And even you can change this auto switch also. If you want auto switch, then you can even change the auto switch also. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.